This is one of our modular 15-foot rainbow slides. Modular slides are nice because it gives you the ability to take any of your modular panels that you might have off of a bounce house or a combo and use them on a slide. Dress it up. 13-foot panel they call it. So out of any of the 13 by 13 modular bounce houses across the industry, they're all pretty much interchangeable. But they're nice to have because that way it's something that can give a different theme to an event, all right? And you can dress it up and basically put whatever message you want out there.